first of all, congratulations, Nitesh sir, for successful completion of the journey of FC21.
Thank you so much.
Right.
And
जी, तो I would be asking a question from you कि like what was the main problem you was dealing before joining FC21 program?
the main problem, I'll rather say this, the whole system of accounts is like scattered all over the place, which I thought in the beginning. That's why when I saw in the initial phases, I was not confident also that it can be done, because we were trying, after doing different courses, we were trying to accumulate all the things and trying to calculate the few ratios and the gross profits also, but we couldn't, and we were thinking कि ये हमसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता, because of the literally that is the case कि like my wife is also in the finance post, and we always keep discussing that part कि आप अपने ये ratios निकालो, so it will be easy to analyze a company कि आपकी actually issues क्या हैं.
Great. So what you got out of the participation from FC21 program?
So as I said, with the FC21 program, lot of concepts got clear in mind, like with the teachings of the Jagmohan sir in the side by side. So वो काफी कुछ clear हुआ है, and along with that, जो मेरे को assign CA थे Mr. Ravi, so we keep calling him again and again जब भी हमें कुछ problem हुआ. So we have discussed a lot of stuff from him, किसको कैसे करना है. He never said no to it. If he is busy also, so he gave us a call back sometimes later, and he solved our queries. So that is the best part. So knowledge base काफी increase हुआ है, and that's what the biggest thing is there for us.
Do you think more and more business owners should do this program, and why?
Definitely, I should I already referred near about 4 or 5 people in my group and community to do FC21, because most of them are from the same groups, so they were looking also for the same kind of solution. And I really feel that this is not my problem only, the finance and accounting, and it is not a business of the finance and accounting should also not it is not the game for the big companies, because हम लोग क्या सोचते थे being into the MSME units, ये सब जिस तरह से फाइनेंस बनते हैं, जिस तरह से बैलेंस शीट्स बनती हैं, ये सब ठीक है, फॉर द बिग कॉर्पोरेट्स आर ओके, बट फॉर द स्मॉलर कंपनीज लाइक अस, फॉर द MSME यूनिट्स लाइक अस, इट माइट नॉट बी द केस. हम लोग शायद नहीं कर सकते, या हमारे को नहीं करना चाहिए. हम लोग जैसे चल रहे हैं, आई रादर से लाला स्टाइल वे में, वैसे ही हम लोग चलेंगे, और हमारे लिए दैट इज अ परफेक्ट वे. सो बट विद दिस पार्ट I've referred also, and I will say कि हम सबको ये myth तोड़ना चाहिए, and definitely more and more people should do FC21.
Thank you so much.